Hello friends, today's video topic is how to create multiple dependent drop-down list in Microsoft Excel. Dependent drop-down list means one list will depend upon another. As you can see here in the screen, here I have a simple tracker format of personal income and expenses. And here in the transaction type column, I have a drop-down list from which I can select either income or expenses transaction. If I select the income transaction, then here in the category drop-down, it will show the income categories only, like the salary, bank interest, and sale of asset. If I change this transaction type to expenses, here in the category list you can see the expenses categories like household, education, health, and so on. From this you can select the category. If I select here income, then it will show the income categories from which I can select any of them. So here in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a dependent drop-down list in multiple cells. Let's get started. First of all, in a new sheet, create here the income and expenses categories list. For example, in this cell, let me put income, and by skipping one column in another cell, write here expenses. Below the income and expenses headers, put the categories. After creating the list, we need to convert them into table. For that, select the income categories, then click on the insert tab, click on tables, then here click on this table option. This you can also do by pressing the keyboard shortcut of Ctrl T. Let me click on the table. This will open this create table dialog box where you need to select this my table has headers option because our table has headers. This income is the column header. Click on OK. This creates a table here. In the table design tab, go to this table name and put the name is income. Similarly, for expenses also, select the categories, then create a table by pressing Ctrl T. Select this my table has headers, then click on OK. This will create a table. Go to table design and here put the name of the table is expenses. Go to sheet 1 and here in the transaction type, create a drop-down list to select either income or expenses. First of all, select the range where you want to create the drop-down. Here I have selected up to row number 12, but you can increase this according to the requirement. After selecting, click on data tab, then data validation. Here in this drop-down, select list and here in the source, put income, comma, expenses. Then click on OK. This will create here a drop down from which you can select either income or expenses. Now here in the category column, we need to create dependent drop down list. If the income is selected, the income categories should be given here in this drop down, and if expenses is selected, the expenses categories should be displayed. For this, first of all, select the range, then click on data tab, data validation. Here in this drop down, select a list, and here in source of the list, use this formula, press equal to, then type the indirect function, open the bracket, then put this first cell reference of the transaction type, that is B4 cell. So put here B4, close bracket. Now click on OK. Here you can see a drop down list is created. If you click on this, here you can see the income categories are given from where you can select a income category. If you click on this cell, then click on the drop down. Here the expenses category are given. If you take here income again, and in this cell you will see the income categories. So this is how you can create multiple dependent drop down lists in Microsoft Excel. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up by hitting on that like button, and also subscribe the channel if you are new here. Thank you so much for watching. See you in next video.